Welcome to a comprehensive guide on how to buy a house successfully. Buying a house is a significant milestone and getting it right is crucial. This process can be complex, but don't worry. We're here to simplify it for you. We'll walk you through all the important steps, from understanding your financial situation to securing a mortgage and closing the deal. You'll be well prepared to make one of the biggest decisions of your life. So, ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's get started. The first step towards buying a house successfully is understanding your financial situation. Evaluate your income and savings, and get familiar with your credit score. These factors significantly sway your home buying journey. Saving for a down payment, closing costs, and unexpected expenses is crucial. Remember, a house is not just a purchase, it's an investment. It's essential to know where you stand financially, to set achievable goals and sidestep future financial stress. Knowing your financial standing is key to setting realistic expectations and avoiding future financial stress. Now that you have a clear picture of your finances, it's time to start house hunting. The exciting part begins. But it's not just about the aesthetics or the number of rooms. You need to consider factors that will impact your life in the long run. Is the location suitable for your work or family needs? What's the neighborhood like? Is it close to essential amenities like schools, hospitals, and grocery stores? And let's not forget about future growth potential. Does the area show signs of progress and development? That could mean your property's value will appreciate over time. Of course, once you've narrowed down your list, don't forget to conduct a thorough home inspection. This step is crucial to avoid any unwanted surprises after you've made your purchase. Remember, buying a house is a long-term investment. Make sure the property you choose aligns with your lifestyle and financial goals. Once you've found the perfect house, it's time to secure a mortgage and close the deal. The first step is shopping for a mortgage. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare interest rates from different lenders to get the best deal. Remember, even a slight difference in interest rates can save you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Once your mortgage is approved, it's time to close the deal. This involves reviewing and signing a stack of legal documents. It's essential to understand each document you sign, so don't hesitate to ask questions if anything is unclear. Once all the paperwork is in order and you've signed on the dotted line, the house is officially yours. Congratulations, you're now a homeowner. And that wraps up our guide on how to buy a house successfully. Remember, understanding your finances, selecting the right property, and securing your mortgage are all crucial steps. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to comment below on other topics you'd like us to cover. Happy house hunting!